The gentleman from Virginia is recognized.
Madam Speaker, at this time, it's my pleasure to yield 3 minutes to the gentleman from Texas, Mr. Flores.
Gentleman from Texas is recognized for 3 minutes.
Madam Speaker, I rise today in support of H.R. 6136, the Border Security and Immigration Reform Act, and I thank Chairman Goodlatte for allowing me to spend time talking about this from a personal perspective. I represent the 17th District of Texas, which has a number of colleges, universities, and institutions of higher education that are home to hundreds of dreamers that are studying to improve their lives. I believe that we should give them a path to come out of the shadows by providing them with an earned path to legal status. These dreamers were brought here by their parents as children, and for most, America is the only home they know. Further, they did not commit the crimes to enter the country illegally, and to characterize an earned path to legal status as amnesty is an offense to their character and to the hard work this body has done to try to come to a consensus. This bill is also important because it will ensure that children that are apprehended at the border will not be separated from their parents or legal guardian while in DHS custody. Look, we all know that enforcing the law is important, both for the integrity of our immigration system and out of respect for the thousands of law-abiding immigrants who come to this country legally every year, many of whom reside in my district. The President was right to issue an executive order to stop the separation of children from their parents. As I've said before, only Congress can enact a permanent solution that amends current law, which has flaws and loopholes, and overturns current legal precedents set by the courts. This bill includes 4 pillars which were previously agreed on by Democrats and Republicans in the White House a few months ago. It deals with border security. It comes up with a solution for the dreamers. It gets rid of a visa lottery, which has not been helpful for merit-based immigration in this country. And it reforms chain migration so that we can bring in the immigrants that we need that will be an integral part of the economy on day one. In closing, Madam Speaker, I will note that we cannot move forward without enacting strong border security reforms, and I'm pleased that the solutions for our dreamers that this bill puts forward are coupled with funding to strengthen border security. We can't have one without the other. Robust border security includes a border wall where feasible. Robust border security can only be achieved through an integrated system of border technology, personnel, and the modernization of our ports of entry. This bill rightly authorizes all of those components and funds those components. I urge a yes vote from all of our colleagues on this bill, and I appreciate the time, and I yield back the balance of my time.